Okay, last time we created the statistical key figures of salary and rent that will be distributed from sender cost center to the receiver cost center using an assessment cost element that is 100, category 42. Now FB01L will be creating a document 01, and our company code was PAP9 AED, I suppose, if I'm not wrong. 400, 400, 500. Okay, 45,000 P1004. Doesn't have any. Why? It doesn't have any. Okay, let me check. Okay, PAP9 start search. 10P1004 cafeteria. Okay. 40, 400, 600. Cost center blocked against direct. Okay. KS02 P1004. Control, enter, lock. We have to remove all these locks. Okay, FB01L 01 500. $5,000 P1004 44 400 600 and 27,000 P1004 50 200 691. Display document overview. Post. Okay, 104 was posted. Okay. Now /n accounting controlling cost center accounting period and closing single functions allocations and assessment, because we're using an assessment cost element, so we will go for assessment KSU 5. Okay, and period will be 1 to 1. 204 cycle will be PAP was the cycle that we had. Okay, PAP1 assessment, and this is test run. Execute, it will show the preliminary results before posting it. That's why it's test run. If you want to post it, we'll remove the test run. Now we are going to see how it will go. It will post from one cost center to receiver cost centers using assessment cost elements and what else? Okay, over here we have number of messages. Receivers are 4, senders are 2, and processing, because this is still in test run, and processing is completed. Line items. What are the line items that got generated? And these are the projected line items that we will see when the system posts it in real time after we remove the test run check. Okay, now these are the line items. Okay, P is 101 and 102. And 104 is the sender. Okay. Okay. P101 gets the debit. P104 gets the credit. P102 gets debit. This gets credit. So it is working okay. And we remove the test run and we execute it. Okay, line items 903 is the document number that is updated. It was an update run. Okay, now we can change the layout, but we are not changing right now because we just want to save the time. And document is created and double click. Okay, it will also show us the profit center. It has landed in partner cost center. There should be somewhere the profit center should be here, but anyways, let's not. Okay, line items and segments. Now these are the segments: salary and rent. Cost element that was used is 100. Okay, so okay, that's done. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
the KSB1, KSB1 P1004001 and execute. So we will see credits in P104. Okay, and we can change the layout. Okay, over here we have in USD and these are in AED. These are the amounts that were basically sent to the receiver cost centers. Now we can see the cost centers that have received it. Cost center P1001, P1002, and these are the only cost centers that were used. Execute. Okay, and these are the amounts that have been settled, 10,000 and 3,000. Okay, now next part is master data, and we'll create a cost center KS01. Now we are going for distribution. Okay, first it was by assessment, now distribution, and we'll create P1011, 10124, and admin. Cost center category will be different. Admin. Okay, hierarchy area. PAP9. Ignore the warning message that is in yellow. Just press enter, and this is created. More cost center, change, cost data, control. Warning. Okay. Save. The blocks have been removed. Now, plant administration. Now we'll go for GL account creation, and that will be salary expense. Double click. We'll copy this 400 203. Continue, and this will be vehicle maintenance. The rest of all the settings will be the same. Okay. Data is saved. Kank. Now, what are we going? Because we are looking at distribution. First was assessment. Okay, allocation by assessment. Now we're looking at distribution. Now, distribution is another process, RKIV. Now, what is RKIV? Actual overhead distribution, and we will assign it to element PAP09, so it can generate CO documents of for distribution through this number range. Okay, that is done. Next is master data and statistical key figures, individual processing, and we are going to create for one statistical key figure for distribution. Okay. EMP based on employees, master data, it already exists. Okay, it already exists. Already done. Okay. Enter employee fixed values. Okay, fine. Next up, KB31N. KB31N 0101. Now, over here, we'll have receiver cost center 1001, employees 75, 1002, employees 25, P200, P1003, EMP 200. Okay. Post. Document is posted under 904. Okay. Now we'll create distribution cycle that we have entered the cost center, that is plant admin, created a GL, also assigned the transaction number range, and we have already created statistical key figure EMP, and we have also given the percentages through KB31N, that is the process. Okay. Controlling, cost center accounting, actual postings, period and closings, distribution. We did assessment, now it's distribution. So these are separate processes. Okay. Define distribution. Okay. Create actual values, actual value distribution. Okay. And PAP2 start date 01/01/2024. Enter. And this will be plant administration costs. Okay, cost Distribution, it will be iterative, that will be run every month. Okay, attach segment, salaries, salary distribution, not assessment. Okay, sender values will be posted amounts, and share will be sent and distributed in 100% of the share. Actual values will be put in variable portions, because some cost centers will have a different number of employees, some will have different number of employees based on actual statistical key figure, which is 75, 25, and 200. Okay, sender receiver tab, cost center, sender P1011. Okay, cost element. Now over here, we are not using assessment, but we're using primary cost element. Okay, receiver cost center is prod, which is the production group. Receiving tracing factor will be statistical key figure employee. Okay, and we'll attach another segment for rental distribution. Okay, posted amounts 100%, actual values, variable portions, and receiver rule, because rent is fixed, right? So fixed percentages, sender receiver 1P1011, cost element will be 400, 600. Prod will be the group. Okay, receiver cost center group. Tracing factor for P101 and 201 will be 25, 50, and 25. 25. Enter. So 100% of the posted amounts will go for this one. Attach segment, and this will be vehicle distribution. Okay, posted amounts, percentages, 100%, actual values, fixed percentages. Okay, because vehicle distribution maintenance will vary. Uh, it, uh, it varies as per the maintenance cost, and you cannot actually forecast how much of the cost will be levied. Okay, sender receivers, cost center P1011, 400, 203. Okay, prod cost center group, and receiver tracing factor. Receiver tracing factor will be 30, 60, and 10. Okay, and save. So this is a distribution cycle. It's easy. We have done assessment first. Now we're doing distribution. Has been saved. Okay, FB01L 01 001 400 45,000 P1011 40 400 600 27,000 P10 40 400 203 and 18,000 P1011, 200, 691. Okay. Post, okay, 106 was posted. Now, master data, period end, closing, allocations, distribution, KSV5, 1/1/2004, PAP 201, plant admin cost distribution. Okay, now execute in test run and we'll see the line items that will get generated. Right now, these will be planned values. Okay, without errors, line items, receivers are 8, senders 3. 3 senders means 3 line items from FB01L, that was plant vehicle maintenance, salary and rent. And that was the same. Now, this is what is going to be distributed according to the percentages of each receiving tracing factor. Okay, so many line items will be generated and test run is removed, execute. Okay, without errors, 905 has been generated. Okay. Uh, Control Y. Control C. I'll copy this. Okay. KSB1. P01011. Execute. Okay, 90,000. This was captured in 1011. P101, 102, P2. Okay, execute. Okay, and 102, 101, 201 is still not showing over here for some reason, but anyways, we'll go for S underscore ALR 870 870 13611. Okay, 121. 121 for central group is the prod. Execute. Okay. Vehicle maintenance, this is in USD. Okay. Actual cost and cafeteria, this was. Now, these are the amounts that have been distributed. Okay. These have been distributed through assessment and distribution both. Okay. So this is the report for actual plan and variance. Okay. Cost center report has been done. Okay. And what else? I guess let's stop over here.